You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. Once and for all correctly, this is a name from French. The French pronunciation is as Carine. Carine. There's no stress on any particular syllable. In French, we don't stress or emphasize more on one syllable compared to another in pretty much any name or word, which makes it sound very flat. This is why French is so flat. Carine. Therefore, in English, it's either pronounced Carine or sometimes Carine, depending. In French, however, French pronunciation, Carine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.